Come inside.
Come inside.
I show you.
You show. Hello.
How are you?
I'm very well. How are you?
Fine, thank you.
That's so nice.
Yes.
He will show us the secrets of your shop. Love tea.
You want to have a smell first. Love tea, it's very nice. Be careful. When you drink, you have to make love. Be careful. You need love. Well, we need always love.
But why do you have to be careful when you make love after this tea?
I mean, Turkish people, a lot of Turkish people, they say tea, then you drink it, then maybe you don't want to make love, but when you drink non-stop, you have to make love. When you drink it, you have to know what is this love.
And what is in it? What is in love
Inside
tea?
they have love flavor, and how do you say, orange, apple, lemon, and we call love flavor. It's small, black, you see, small seeds. It's love flavor. We call love.
Is it pepper?
Tea. No, it's one flavor. It's like, how do you say, mulberry? It's like blackberry, but it's more smaller.
Okay. I will take
Perfect.
that tea.
All right. Maybe 5 kilo. Hola, bienvenido Moreno. Spanish? España? Bienvenido Moreno.
How come you speak so many languages?
Because I'm Russian.
Oh, because you're Russian, you speak so many languages.
Because I'm friends of Abramovich, Roman Abramovich, you know?
Roman
You know him?
Abramovich.
You know him?
No, but the name sounds familiar.
Billionaires.
Billionaire.
Abramovich, yeah. He's
Oh, really?
billionaire. Passed from Chelsea, you know? And he also speaks English, French, Russian. Spanish. ¿De qué parte de España, guapa? Zaragoza.
Guapa.
¿Zaragoza o
He
Zaragoza?
comenzado.
Aragón.
Aragón, ¿no?
Pero como es más conocido Zaragoza por la
Té de
expo.
amor. ¿Sabes qué es? Té de amor. Love tea. ¿Oler eso?
Sí, sí, ya lo
¿Sí?
he oído.
Moreno, ¿quieres oler?
No, para nada.
¿No quiere, por ejemplo, otras especias? No, ella también no es turca. Ella es eslovenia.
Ah,
Eslovenes. Sal de limón, madre mía.
sal de limón.
Limón. Iraní.
Manjara.
Ah, joder.
¿Qué fumar? ¿Qué fumar? Cigarro. Muy bien, pues, para salada pescado. Moreno, blanco,
Ah, ya. Es sal de limón.
blanco, no quieres té de amor.
Oh, you said what?
Yes, I like you.
Oh, really? Why?
Yes,
You don't know me. How can you like me?
are wonderful.
How much of love tea can we drink per day?
Maximum 2 times, 1 glass, small glass. Just you have to drink morning, after meals, or evening, 8, 10 o'clock, or 9 o'clock.
And what would happen if I drank like a lot, like 3 or 4 or 5 times a day?
Well, for women it's possible, for ladies it's possible, but
Hacı,
for us,
20
for
milyon yap
men,
hacı.
it's not possible because when you drink 1 glass, you have to make 4. 4 times. 1 glass, 4. 2.4, no, 8. But for men, it's dangerous.
Dangerous.
1 is enough. If you take this, you can make love 5 times in the night. But 1 spoon. If you take 2 spoons, you die. No, he died. Italian, they say mamma mia. When they say mamma mia, they know something.